Hi, my name is Phil. This here's Mark. We're picked a relatively easy install here today. It's a 4.6 liter engine on this Ford, so that's going to be the smart emissions reducer. It's going to be the red unit. What we're going to do is we're going to hook up the 5-gas analyzer, Mark, if you'll do that. And once the engine gets up to operating temperature, we'll take a reading, and then that'll be our baseline for the install. Okay, now that our engine is up to operating temperature, we're going to be able to push print here and create the data necessary for our baseline. And we're ready to do our install. We're going to take the crankcase ventilation system that already exists in your car, and we're going to cut into that and add the smart device. So now that we've got the crankcase ventilation system cut open, we've installed a right angle adapter on the unit for this application, and we're going to install the unit as close to the valve cover as possible. And then, of course, it goes on to the throttle body. Now, we've picked a relatively easy install here today for the purpose of filming, but most of the time you're going to want to allow about an hour to do an install. Okay, now that we've done a basic install, we're going to check for leaks. You can use brake clean and listen for the variation in the motor. If there's a leak, it'll be detected. So now that we've finished up our basic install here, we're going to button up everything under the hood, go out and take the car for a drive, make sure everything's fine before we release it to the customer. And if you want more information, you can visit us at www.smartafs.com or www.smartemissionsreducer.com. Remember, go green with the same machine.